Okay. Bree, kisses.
Oh,
Do you have something to tell me?
that Mom gets upset when she walks in the house and sees guns? Yeah.
I'm taking something apart. Oh, what was that kiss for? We're waiting for Nancy Pelosi to speak.
I know she's
Mom said... Did she really say... Wait. Bree, did she really say that? Bree, did she really say that on your walk? Wait, you gotta tell me. Bree.
No, she doesn't want to
Tell... Okay, she really said that, Bree said. She said that... You said she was the prettiest bird in the yard and had the best feathers. And that you said pretty soon she would be flying in the sky. Oh. They had nothing out in Orange Park, but it took forever to even get it, or out in Middleburg, the Academy Sports, like no ammunition, like the truck didn't arrive. But by the time I finally got out there, even though I left so early, the line was so long, I probably wouldn't have gotten any, even if the truck had come. But it took so long to get out there, because right on Blanding, at 103rd, on my way out there, because I stopped at the gate station, first, at Blanding 103rd, there was a massive wreck right at the intersection, Mom. Yeah. It's just talking about the cases. A massive wreck, and it just took up like the intersection, and the traffic heading towards Orange Park and Middleburg, they had to direct into the opposing lanes of traffic, and you had to do like all this stuff. And it was just, Blanding was just backed up. I told you, it was just such a bad wreck. I mean, it was multiple ambulances, cars, more than likely from the type of wreck it was cars and pedestrian involved at that intersection. For it to be that bad, for him to have that wide of an area to block off. Because I've known and heard of multiple pedestrian incidents at that intersection. Bree, I just think Mom's sister Jody would absolutely love how you have us trained. Just run in, tell me a secret, jump up here, and we know what you want. I love you. You've had plenty of love. Here, we get a little bit on your head, and then your chin, and then you're done.
A pretty disturbing headline. Some Democrats in Congress are worried their colleagues might kill them.
No, that's bullshit. That's like Ocasio-Cortez and bullshit. Oh, and Ocasio-Cortez wants to create her own version of the McCarthy Commission.
That's a great guy.
Oh, yeah, she wants to create a commission, and
I saw that.
it's like new stuff to regulate journalism in the country. Yes, we have crazy people, but in crazy fringe journalism, but that's the beauty of America.
Yeah.
You vote with your wallet and how you do it, and we're completely open. But she wants to regulate journalism, and I'm like, that's McCarthy. That's the person who scared the shit out of my grandfather. And from what you told me, he was scared shitless by McCarthy.
He's just afraid if you said something wrong, you went on the list. And I told you, Joe would show up at the house.
Yeah.
He didn't talk with him in the house. They went out to his